it's Lori Richardson here today with Emilia Casser with Legacy Insurance Partners. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
I'm always glad when you're here. And in the interest of trying to keep you ahead of the curve and really being mindful of what is going on today in the real estate market, we asked Emilia to come today and just chat about some of the things that she's seeing on the insurance side. So will you just tell us maybe what are the biggest gaps you're seeing in general right now?
Yeah, so when I'm reviewing policies or quotes from a client, whether they're reshopping or they're purchasing a new home, and when it's specific to a condo or townhome, I find that often the dwelling coverage is lacking. That the other agent is not looking at what it would cost to rebuild the entire interior, because that is the client's responsibility.
That's
The
so
HOA.
huge.
Yeah.
So huge. So will you walk us through if somebody doesn't have adequate dwelling coverage, right? And I see that we do see that all the time. We see insurance agents that are quoting and trying to compete on price and getting the client the best price, which I'm not opposed to the best price, right? But it also has to be the best coverage in the event that something happens. Because
Absolutely.
insurance is something that when you need it, like you need it, right? It's better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it, right? But will you just walk us through, if somebody doesn't have enough dwelling coverage, what does that mean to the client?
So think about the client is responsible for everything studs in. So your bathrooms, your floors, your cabinets, your kitchen, all of that is the client's responsibility.
Right.
The HOA is going to cover the exterior. So let's say a policy has $20,000 in coverage.
Right.
Maybe that's going to get them floors and a kitchen sink.
Right.
But the rest of it is going to be out of pocket. Yeah.
Right? And to clarify, we're talking about condominiums and townhomes, right?
Correct.
So condos and townhomes. So what you're saying is if they've got a large policy but only $20,000 in coverage, we could be out of pocket a lot in the event of catastrophic loss.
Absolutely. It could be well over $100,000.
Right.
That would be
Huge.
their responsibility and out of pocket. Yes.
Huge. Well, that is one of the biggest things that we see on our side as well. And again, if you have questions or you're not sure if your current policy fits you, we do annual financial reviews for our clients. That does not mean that you have to wait until your year mark to check in. If you look at your policy or you have a question or you're just wondering, do I have adequate coverage? Is there something else I should be thinking of? Please don't hesitate. Can our clients just reach out to you and ask
Absolutely.
questions?
Yeah.
So,
And that's what I'm here for. I really love answering questions. I'm not here to sell.
Yeah.
It's to educate.
now you can see why we work with her. So, and Legacy Insurance, we're so excited to partner with you guys. So please reach out if you have any questions. I call for adult supervision all the time. Please feel free to do so as well. Thank you so much for taking the time
Thank you,
with us
Lori.
today.